Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel and a welcome back to Paxton Pits as well. Now this week's video we've got something a little bit special. We've got a guest appearance from Ryan of Ryan's Wildlife, fellow YouTuber. I'll stick a link in the description below, go check out his channel after this video. So we've come down to the first hide this morning, just been sat here chatting and chilling. Not much bird on the water, but just see a little black and white sort of duck just bobbing along. Thought it was a tufty. Turns out it was a common goldeneye. So it's rather grey and miserable here today. Not much on the water and still managed to tick one off the life list. So happy days. So I'm probably going to sit in this hide for a little bit longer. See if anything actually decides to show up. Hopefully we'll get a bit more activity as the day goes on. But yeah, I'll stick the pictures up of the goldeneye now. So stick with us. Let's see what else we can see. Yes. Where the hell did it go? Okay, so we've moved around to the next hide now, the Kingfisher hide. And if you remember from the last video I did down here, I said I really wish places wouldn't name hides Kingfisher hides because it always gets me really excited. However, upon walking through here, Ryan spotted it just as it was flying by. Bloody Kingfisher, so we know they're around. It's just whether any actually turn up. Surprising really, because it's really quiet down here today. It's really quiet. There's not much on the water barring a few swans and the tufties and that fortunate sighting at the goldeneye as well. So yeah, I think we're just going to have to wait and see if we can actually get any more shots from Paxton Pits today. So we're still sat in the Kingfisher hide at the moment, just sat in that room waiting to see if anything actually turns up. We were just chatting, saying obviously that Kingfisher's been around, and we were hoping he was going to land on a fallen tree that's just out into the water. Ideal situation. And we're just sat here chatting, seeing if anything's coming about. Next thing you know, Kingfisher flies right in front of us, under that tree. Gasped as he flew straight past it. Sod's law. But they're definitely about. I think we're going to wait here a bit longer and see if he actually makes an appearance for us. Stick with us. Fingers crossed. Okay, so first of all, if the sound's a bit ropey on this bit, because my mic's just died. So, brave little sparrow just down there. Yeah, so we've been wandering around Paxton Pits, and it's very quiet today. Not many birds about, but can't grumble. Actually, seeing that golden eye was definitely a first for both of us, so yeah, really happy with that. So we're almost back to the car now, so we'll keep having a wander through. There's another brave little sparrow just down there. And yeah, just see if we see anything else on our wander back. Okay, so back in the comforts of my own home then. I thought it was best to do a summary and sign out from home. With the mic issues that I was having at the time, I have no idea why my receiver had just totally jammed up. I've managed to rectify the issues. I'm recording through it now, so there'll be no problems moving forward. Okay, so to summarise then, I think it just proves the point that it's always wise to get out regardless of the weather. I've said before about the harsh reality of doing wildlife photography in the UK. The weather is one of the biggest parts, and even if it looks grey and miserable, Ryan and I both managed to bag one from the life list, and that was the golden eye. Absolutely brilliant. I mean, the rest of the time it was really, really quiet, bar some tufted ducks, swans, occasional geese. But seeing the golden eye was absolutely fantastic. And it does just prove that point. Get out. Even if it's grey and miserable, just make sure you actually head out with the camera. So yeah, another point I want to make as well, it was absolutely brilliant to be joined by Ryan. It was fantastic going out with someone. We spent about 3 hours down at Paxton Pits and we were chatting the whole time. We got back to the cars literally not long after I finished that last bit, and we stood chatting for another half an hour. It was really good to speak to someone who is as passionate about wildlife photography as I am. And yeah, absolutely brilliant. Now, there will be a link in the description below, so do head over to his channel, give him a subscribe if you don't already, and also why not watch his video from our adventure out as well. Now, for me, obviously if you've liked this video, give us the old thumbs up, and if you don't already, drop us a subscribe from down the bottom, and do hit that notification bell. And while you're here, why not check out one of our other videos. Take care and be safe, everyone. Peace.